Good morning, dear students. Good morning, all of you. So, this is a video of class 9, and in this video, we are going to discuss about the mole concept. Okay, this is the second video of mole concept, and in this video, we will solve some of the numerical question also. We will learn the method how to solve the numerical question also. Here, the mole concept, you can see that the first of all, the definition of mole concept is there. It is actually defined as the amount of substance, any of the substance if I am talking about, that substance which contains 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 particles. If I am talking about, instead of these particles, if I will write about atoms, then that atoms, we can say the amount of substance which contains 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 particles of atoms. Molecule I can also talk about. So 1 mole of atom can also possible, 1 mole of molecule will also possible. So it depends upon that what I am talking about. 1 mole of an atom, if 1 mole of particle is there, that means 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 particles. If 1 mole of atom is there, that means 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 particles. Here you can see it is written 1 mole of atom is equal to this much of atoms, and 1 mole of molecules is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. If I will discuss about here, atom means if I am writing here hydrogen, so hydrogen is one of the atom, and if I am talking about hydrogen atom, that means it should equal to 1 mole of hydrogen atom. So that means if I will write 1 mole of hydrogen atom, then it should be equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of hydrogen. Okay na, atoms of hydrogen you have to write. So this one is the meaning of 1 mole of atom. And instead of this atoms, if I will write here molecules, suppose 1 mole of oxygen molecule, if I will write 1 mole of oxygen, in between just I have written oxygen molecules, so that one is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules of oxygen, oxygen. Okay, now oxygen we have to write. Okay, so this one is the meaning of mole concept. This one is the meaning of mole of atoms and mole of molecules. Okay, and here you can see the molar mass, the mass of 1 mole of any substance. Okay, now that one is known as molar mass. That if it is written, if it is expressed in the gram, then it is known as gram molecular mass, and molecular mass of NH3 is equal to 17 gram. How you have calculated this one, you can see here. If I will take the atomic mass of nitrogen, that one is 14 unit. Let me on the next page. Here you can see NH3 is actually molecules of compound, as we have discussed earlier, that molecules of element is also existing. If the same type of atoms is there, that means molecules of elements, and if the different types of dissimilar types of element, dissimilar types of atoms are there, is called as a molecules of compounds. So here NH3 is a molecules of compound, and here if I have to find the molar mass of that molecules, then simply I will write 14 atomic mass plus subscript is 3. So 3 into hydrogen, what is the atomic mass of hydrogen? 1. So together it will give 17 gram. Okay, now so you have seen this one, molecular mass of NH3 is 17 gram. Now you can see there it is written 17 AMU. What is AMU? AMU is the atomic mass unit. AMU is the atomic mass unit, and 17 AMU is the mass of 1 molecule, and 17 grams of NH3 will be equal to mass of 1 mole molecules. That means if I am talking about 1 mole of ammonia. So every time 1 mole of ammonia will contain 17 AMU after the calculation. Okay na? So here it is written 17 AMU is equal to mass of 1 ammonia molecules. Okay, molar mass, if it is molar mass can represent it in U, its unit. But if it is expressed in gram, molar mass, if you have calculated, then you can give 1U, 2U, 3U, whatever. If this U, if it is instead of U, if it is written in gram, so that one is known as gram molecular mass. Okay na? So you should note down that one. Its short abbreviation for the gram molecular mass can be capital G M M. Okay, now you can see this one is mole of atoms. What is the symbol of an element? Represent one mole of atoms of that elements. If any of the elements symbol it is there, if suppose hydrogen is there, hydrogen is a symbol. And if I have not written 2H, 3H, 4H, if I have written simple only 1H, if I have written sulfur, if I have written nitrogen, if I have written this in the atomic form, so that symbol itself is known as 1 mole of atom. So hydrogen is 1 mole, sulfur is 1 mole, and nitrogen is 1 mole. So symbol of an element represent 1 mole of atom of that element. And you can see that 1 mole of atoms of an element has a mass equal to the given atomic mass of the element in terms of gram. So what is the meaning of that one? If I have written sulfur atom, so sulfur S, so that means 1 mole of sulfur atom we are talking about. So 1 mole of sulfur atom is actually having the atomic mass 32U, and when I am talking about the atoms, then I will not write gram molecular mass. I will not write. Atomic means gram atomic mass. Atomic means gram atomic mass. So here GAM, capital GAM, and that is in the case of atomic mass. So this one is 32 gram. Okay, so here you can see the 1 mole of sulfur atom is equal to 32U, or if you want to write into the gram atomic mass, then you can simply write 32 grams. So that is not the big issue. Means 1 mole of sulfur atom, it can express into 32U also. But if you want to change this into gram, so you can replace with gram also. Okay, now you can see mole of molecule. Simple it is, very simple. So when I have discussed about the mole of atom, suppose sulfur is 32U. Okay, so its gram atomic mass, sulfur is an atom, its gram atomic mass is 32 gram. Okay, and if I am talking about one of the molecules, suppose carbon dioxide is molecules of compound. So if I am talking about molecules of compound, then I have to calculate this one. After calculating, we have calculated the molecular mass, and in that one we will find that 44 gram would be there, and that one is the molecular mass of the compound. Okay, now that here you can see 1 mole of molecule of substance is represented by molecular formula. 1 mole of a molecule every time represented by a molecular formula. Suppose I am talking about the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide molecular formula is CO2, and then after calculation, the molecular mass you will calculate after the summation of carbon and 2 atoms of oxygen. You will calculate 44 grams would be the answer. So 1 mole of atoms of an of an element is equal to 44 AMU, and AMU is exchange with gram also. You can replace AMU with the gram, and that one in the case of molecular mass calculation, in place of U, you can also write down the gram. That means gram molecular mass in place of AMU, you can write gram simply. So that one is gram molecular mass. It is expressed. If I am talking about the mole of atoms, the mole of molecules, you would be there, mole of molecules, you would be there. But if you have to express this into the gram, so that one is known as gram molecular mass. Okay, na? That one is known as gram molecular mass. Okay, thank you.